Hello guys. This social trades once more. So here we have the Nasdaq literally opened here at 7, went up, taking buy side here, and came back lower. This yellow area is a daily volume imbalance. Let's check that out. On the daily, see what that is. You pull it. It's this volume imbalance here. This one. If you pull this like that. It's that one, you see. So let's go down. So yeah, did that as it opened, went lower. If I zoom in, here you see lots of purple lines. There's a new day open. It's a new day open gap. So it's a new day open gap. So it's when there's a lot of them like this, a cluster, they can draw price to it. They tend to draw price to it. As you can see here, exactly what happened here. You see, that's the draw. So that's based on that. This trade that you see running currently, the sell was here, the stop was here. The sell was here, the stop was here. So basically went lower. I was aiming for this low, right? I could have like taken lots of profits here. This low, I was looking for these two lows here. Then they took that out. But I was thinking that if they really want to go up, they might as well take this one out and this low out, which is the Asian sell side here. So it's currently there. And here we have a suspension block. I'm thinking this one. So just holding this with an understanding that uh, let me do this. I'm holding it in understanding that best case scenarios, normally we have something like this, and then that would give up the ghost, right? This is the normal case scenario, right? Then if we go on the side, you can see these highs here. So this would take them out and allow the marketplace to shut down like that, right? 5 minute. And this is the regular trading hours opening range gap from that side. Can always pull that like that and use it. I'm putting it here. I'm gonna use it when I want. That's the low of it there, and then the high of it there. Okay. So okay, delete there. So far we opened here, went higher. We're coming back like that now. So this is Asian sell side here, resting here. Okay. So we're gonna wait and see what it gives us. Ideally, we would like to see this low too, right? But this one is like a low-hanging fruit, like a low-hanging fruit. I know I've done this, but then I'm still open to it going lower like this, right? From where it is right now. I'm still open to that. But should it keep going up, I'm gonna think that it wants to pull off something like this. It wants to pull off something like this. We'll do that. If we go to the 1 hour, we're gonna see some magic. Let me delete that. Delete that. Delete that. So clearly here, you can see the highs there, relatively equal highs. Okay, let's delete that. Here, if I zoom in there, bodies stop exactly at the half of this volume imbalance. That's beautiful. Test the high there, but all the bodies are closing here, showing that it's really bearish after taking this out. So technically the market need not return here, right? But if it does, we'll know what to do. But it need not, right? It need not, because it took out buy side here with that, right? Taking that out. So we'll be watching. Mainly gonna go to according to the 1 minute time frame, this candlestick, this low here, and this high here represent the first presented fair value gap. And then if you go to the 3 minute, this is your runaway gap. And then yeah, that was that one. So you could trade this one. That's what I did. I took the trade there, took the sell here, put the stop loss there, right? Because this one did not see return, didn't after taking buy side. You don't have to return into this after taking this one here, right? So some people are waiting to sell in here, it will never come there. Goes down, then I'm selling right there. Okay. I'm selling right there, and then it still goes down. So now even this movement here going up, it's not scary at all. Why is it not scary? Because by understanding is that here, if we take this black line, which I'm going to put here, initial buy side, there's going to be your initial buy side there. And then here you have London buy side here, London buy side there. And then okay, this is Asian buy side here. This is AM buy side here. And then this is London buy side. So you have a pool of liquidity resting right there. But also remember, it need not return there. Right? So all we're gonna do is deal with the if I remove the lipstick a bit, can we do that? So all we're gonna deal with here basically, if it takes these highs here, we're still gonna look for sells. But if I zoom in here, this is the first presented fair value gap here, according to the 3 minute time frame. We're gonna see how it fares. Also, the first one according to the 1 minute time frame. We're gonna see how this gap here holds price, right? We're gonna see that. Because we don't need to take this high. The current trading range is defined from that high to this low, right? That high, initial buy side, and we're looking at this low currently as a potential initial sell side, right? As a potential initial sell. Should the market keep going on up like this will end the quality of being initial sell side. Therefore, if we take out buy side here, we're gonna ride ahead and aim for sell side and even lower, right? Sell side is there, relatively quite lows there and there, like relatively quite lows there and there. So we're gonna see that, right? Okay. Let me just confirm there. Okay. This one should be here, basically. Below this lows. So that was the trade like that. So it seems like we won't reach the target. No stress. We're still waiting. Because the mindset is that after 8, if I do that. So this move from here going down here, it's a macro trade. It was using the macro from 750 from there and then up to 810. So all of this is a macro move, right? Yes. So this is a very valid trade, a strong, beautiful trade here. So I know that after 8, we're going to anticipate what? Everything in here to be taken out, to be ran, right? We're going to anticipate initial buy side to be taken, right? After 8. So we're currently here, and we have first presented fair value gap here. So we're going to see how it treats price here. Can it hold the price? If it does not, then we're going to take an initial buy side there. And then if we take this one, we're going to anticipate London here, buy side 2, and probably anticipate at least half of this. So let's wait and see how it all plays out, right, guys? Let me zoom in. We're going to see how it all plays out. So this is initial sell side, potential initial sell side here. So if you're not in a trade currently, don't feel stressed. Just wait for one of these to be taken. But it may just use this fair value gap here, right, to go lower. So we're gonna just see how it treats this fair value gap here. If it does not hold, then we're gonna anticipate taking this high and eventually taking London buy side right there. And then half of this, and then we'll see how it will. This is a runway gap from the 1 hour. So half of it will be enough to send us lower. Even if the day is bullish, this works all the time. Even if it's bearish, this works all the time. Now you have a range, right? You have a range, A and B, or whatever you can call it, but you have a range. Buy side is resting above here, and sell side is resting below, right? If it keeps going up like this, that's good. That's good. Then we may see, okay, we may see the market at open at 9:30 just shoot up above these, exactly going here, and that will be considered a Judas swing. I'm gonna sell that, then let it go down, right? Go down to do what? To take these guys out. So that's how it works, guys. So currently I have a cluster of new days, throwing price to it, even now. So we're just gonna wait, and then I'm gonna record another video for you guys to see exactly where I'm entering and things like that. So let's trade with care. Here is your range here, the current trading range here. This is how you do it. This is your current trading range. But what we're anticipating is to go up, take out this high, and land on buy side, and those other two pools I showed you on the left, right? Which pools? Which pools? 7.5. I'm talking about these ones here, these highs here, right? If we go above, we'll be going above these highs here. So this is nice. Five-minute time frame. So just gonna do a lot of waiting here, guys. It's a waiting game. Initial buy side here, initial sell side here, basically between these 2 points currently. So let's just wait. That's the game. That's the game. So yeah, that's that. Gonna see above these two highs. Should we see a sell, we can take it. But if we reach here, that's like the best one, because the liquidity on the left, that's resting on the left up there, will be out, right? So let's see what they have for us. And then if we go to the 1 hour, inversion fair value gap here. But then let's, on the 1 hour, we can still see that this is a possible take. They can possibly run these two highs, right? So we're gonna be waiting and see. Up until the open, I'm gonna be waiting for the open to happen. Wait for 9:30. And then you can do your thing. Wait 9:30, or wait the market to reach here so that we can see if we can get a sell here, or it's gonna go above the buy side, right? We're gonna wait. Thank you guys. This social trades.